Hey guys, it's Steve Lamont, the founder at Elevate Realty Group, and it is already March. We're almost done with the first quarter, which means we're almost to the first half of the year, which is just crazy to me. The year is already crazy, lots of crazy things going on. But today, we're going to talk about a fun topic. This was probably my highest ranked and most viewed video. I did it 3 or 4 years ago, and we're going to talk about property taxes today. And in California, if you're a home buyer or a homeowner, you do not love property taxes. Let me tell you, we're going to break down a few different categories and then talk about one of the huge advantages of a big policy that was pushed down by the state of California called Prop 19. So property taxes in general will average around 1 to 1.25% of your purchase price, which means if you buy a $100,000 property, your property taxes are probably going to be around $1,000 a year, right? But most California properties are not $100,000. So, it can be a significant monthly cost. So it's really important to understand where you're buying and how property taxes work. Now, let's talk about Prop 19 and what happens if you sell your home that you've owned for a really long time and go to downsize or upsize or move to another property in California. When you own a home, your property taxes can only go up a specified amount every year. So, your property cannot be reassessed from, let's say, $100,000 to $500,000 in 1 year and have your property taxes go up $4,000. That is against California state regulations. But your property taxes can go up every year by a certain percentage, and they certainly do. And so for many people who've owned homes for 15, 20, 30 years, their tax basis, like what the value of their home that they pay taxes on, is significantly less than the current market value of their current home today. And the sheer fact of property taxes going up and being reassessed at today's value is keeping people from selling their homes or living in bigger homes that they necessarily don't really need. And that's really a sad thing. It actually really hurts inventory if a seller cannot actually sell their property based on their budget. So unfortunately, it's really important to understand if you have a mother or a family member who's owned their home for a long time, they can see a significant savings through Prop 19. In essence, Prop 19 allows you to move anywhere within the state of California and carry your tax bill, your tax basis with you. So let's say you sell a home for $1.5 million, but you've been paying property taxes on a value of $380,000, you can sell that $1 million plus home and go buy a $500,000 home and carry your tax basis with you to that new home instead of your tax basis jumping up to $500 or $600 when you move. That is a significant program that helps many older folks who've lived in their home a long time feel more comfortable budget-wise making the move. Now, there are some stipulations, like if you sell your home and buy a home that's more expensive, there's a certain calculation for that. But Prop 19 is an awesome program for people who've lived in their home for a long time. As always, if you have any questions or if you need anything, reach out to us at homesbyelevate.com or call us at 916-436-SELL.